Good morning kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and having lots of fun. Myself Anshu Naran from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group, Kota. Kids, today we will revise the fruits name from the book. So, open your general awareness book, GK and Conversation and page number 10. Our topic is fruits. Mention the date and classwork. So, kids, put the finger with me on your book and start reading. M-A-N-G-O, mango. Which fruit is this? Mango. M-A-N-G-O, mango. Now tell me, which fruit is this? Red fruit. Strawberry. Which is this? Strawberry. Now read it with me. S-T-R-A-W. Straw. B-E-R-R-Y. Berry. Strawberry. S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-Y. Strawberry. Well done. Now, which fruit is this? Banana. Which fruit is this? Banana. And what is the spelling of banana? B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. What is this? Grapes. Now read it with me. Speak with me. G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. Now what is this? Jamun. What is this? Jamun. And what is the spelling? Let's read. J-A-M-U-N. Jamun. Kids, keep your finger on the word and now read it with me. Which fruit is this? Apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. Very good. Now what is this? Watermelon. What is this? Watermelon. And what is the spelling? Let's read. W-A-T-E-R. Water. M-E-L-O-N. Watermelon. W-A-T-E-R. Water. M-E-L-O-N. Watermelon. Now what is this? This is chiku. This is chiku. And let's read the spelling. C-H-I-C-K-O-O. C-H-I-C-K-O-O. Chiku. Now come to the next fruit. What is this? This is pineapple. What is this? Pineapple. And have you learned the spelling of pineapple? Let's read. P-I-N-E, pine. P-I-N-E, pine. A-P-P-L-E, apple. Pineapple. Good. And what is this? This is sweet lime. This is sweet lime. And what is the spelling? Let's read. S-W-E-E-T. Sweet. S-W-E-E-T. Sweet. L-I-M-E, lime. Sweet lime. And which fruit is this? Do you know? This is pomegranate. This is pomegranate. And what is the spelling? P-O-M-E, pome. G-R-A-N-A-T-E. Pomegranate. P-O-M-E-G-R-A-N-A-T-E. Pomegranate. And which fruit is this? This is an orange. This is an orange. And let's read the spelling. O-R-A-N-G-E. Again read. O-R-A-N-G-E. Well done students. Orange. Good. And what is this? This is papaya. This is papaya. And read the spelling. P-A-P-A-Y-A. Papaya. P-A-P-A-Y-A. Papaya. And this one is custard apple. This one is custard apple. Let's read the spelling. C-U-S-T-A-R-D. C-U-S-T-A-R-D. Custard. A-P-P-L-E, apple. Custard apple. Now what is this? These are cherries. CHERRRIES. CHERRRIES. Cherries. And this one is guava. 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 And this one is, which fruit is this? Fig. Which fruit is this? Fig. FIG, fig. Very easy spelling it is, right? FIG, fig. And this one is jackfruit. This one is jackfruit. And read the spelling. Keep your finger downside the word. JACK, jack. JACK, jack. FRUIT, jackfruit. So kids, now we will learn some question answers. First, you have to read it with me, right? Our first question is NAME, name. ANY, any. FIVE, 5. FRUITS. Let's read it again. Name any 5 fruits. So kids, tell me, name any 5 fruits. Can you tell me? Right. Our first fruit is apple. First fruit is apple. What is the spelling of apple? APPLE, apple. Speak it with me. APPLE, apple. Very good. Next is mango. Let's revise the spellings with me. MANGO, mango. MANGO, mango. Our next fruit is banana. And what is the spelling? BANANA, banana. Well done. Next spelling is orange. ORANGE, orange. Grapes. GRAPES, grapes. The next spelling is papaya. PAPAYA, papaya. Well done. The next is pomegranate. POMEGRANATE, pomegranate. Again we will read it. POMEGRANATE, pomegranate. The next is cherry. CHERRY, cherry. Okay kids, our next question is which? WHICH, which? FRUIT, fruit. Which fruit? IS is THE, the. KING, king. OF, of. FRUITS, fruits. So, which fruit is the king of fruits? Do you have any idea? Which fruit is the king of fruits? Which fruit is the king of fruits? Mango, right. Now, let's read it with me. MANGO, mango. IS is THE, the. KING, king. OF, of. FRUITS, fruits. Mango is the king of fruits. Now let's learn again. Mango is the king of fruits. Now come to the next question. WICH, which? FRUIT, fruit. HAS, has. ONE, SEED, seed. Which fruit has one seed? So kids, do you know what is seed? When you eat mango, there is one seed. There is one seed. In many fruits, there are many seeds. In some fruits, there is no seed. So, which fruit has one seed? Now, let's read the answer. MANGO, mango. HAS, has. ONE, SEED, seed. Mango has one seed. Which fruit has one seed? Mango has one seed. Well done, student. Our next question is NAME name, THE the, SEED seed, LESS less. Name the seedless fruits fruits. Name the seedless fruits. What is the meaning of seedless? The fruits, they don't have seeds. Understand? Name the seedless fruits. So what? Which fruits are these? Banana, grapes and pineapple. Banana, grapes and pineapple. Now let's read it with me. BANANA, banana. GRAPES, grapes. AND and PINE, pine. APPLE, apple. Let's revise this question again. Name the seedless fruits. Banana, grapes and pineapple. Okay. Fifth question is NAME name, THE the, FRUITS fruits. WHICH which, HAVE have, MANY many, SEEDS seeds. Name the fruits which have many seeds. The answer is WATER water, MELON melon, watermelon, PAPAYA papaya, ORANGE orange. So kids, let's revise the questions answers again. Name any 5 fruits. So kids, tell me, name any 5 fruits. Apple, mango, banana, papaya, grapes, pomegranate and cherry. Okay, let's revise the second question. Which fruit is the king of fruits? So tell me, which fruit is the king of fruits? Good one. Mango is the king of fruits. Mango is the king of fruits. Well done. The next question is, which fruit has 1 seed? So kids, do you understand what is the meaning of seed? When we eat some fruit, there is something seed, some seed there. So कुछ fruits ऐसे होते हैं जिनमें seed 1 seed होता है, right? Like mango. कुछ fruits ऐसे होते हैं जिनमें बहुत सारे seeds होते हैं, right? Like watermelon, papaya. Understand? कुछ fruits ऐसे होते हैं जिनमें बिल्कुल भी seeds नहीं होते, like banana. Very good student. Now come to the next question. Name the seedless fruits. Banana, grapes and pineapple. The seedless fruits are banana, grapes and pineapple. Our next question is, name the fruits which have many seeds. Watermelon, papaya, orange. Repeat with me. Watermelon, papaya, orange. Right? Okay. So kids, learn to identify these fruits from the book GK and Conversation, page number 10. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Thank you.